Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sugandh Khanna, AWS Solution Architect Associate Certified and Aqua Certified Drupal 8. Today we will learn step 12 of CI/CD pipeline. This is not basically step 12. We are just running a simple job in Jenkins by putting GitHub URL in the Jenkins account. Let's check, because after running a build, there is a file that should get created in the workspace folder in the Jenkins. Let's see how to do that. So here I am with my repo which we have created so far in my previous account. Let's add one file. Let's say index.html. I'm saving this file. This is my index.html file which got created. You can check over here with the source code. Now what we need to do is we need to put this repo, let's go on to the user account. Okay, and you can copy this URL, this SSH URL, and put it over your Jenkins account. Freestyle project. Okay, and here in source code management I need to put my git URL, and I'm just saving it. Okay, so as you can see, there is no workspace right now. Fine, there is no workspace right now, but when I built this job, when I click on this build now and build this job, a file got created inside this workspace. This file would automatically get created over here. So let's build now. So our build is failed. Let's check. We need to pass the HTTPS URL. SSH URL doesn't work here. So in my demo project, here you can see there is a demo project, and in git, okay, these files are not relevant, but yes, some things got created, but that particular file is not copied over here. So what we want is index.html file should get copied over here. Fine. So in order to do that, I'll configure the project in the source code management. Here it is showing host key verification failed. Copy. So let's create an RSA key with the help of this command ssh keygen. My key got created. Let's copy this file. Let me copy this. And I'll go on to the settings, SSH and EPG key, new SSH key. Today is 24th August. Let's name it like this way. Key name is authentication key. I'm pasting it over here. Add SSH key. Here in the webhooks, let's go into my repository. in the settings, in the webhooks, edit. So here is not any secret which is defined, so I need to change the secret. Fine, this is a step which we were missing. So go to here, configure, add new token, generate, copy this token. For now I'm just copying it over here. This is the one which I have copied and I'm updating my webhook. Okay, so this is done. Let's check now with executing my build again. Okay, so you can see the build is now success. Let's check its output. This is the repo and this is the console output. So here you can see a project name demo project got created over here. So this is the one which we were looking for, and the connection got established and the project got created. And here in the workspace you can check the file index.html which is coming over here now. That's all for this lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.